Hi guys, today we'll be working on MacBook Air 13-inch liquid damaged, board number 820000165. It's the model number A1466. Here at Apple Expert, we specialize in liquid damage logic board repairs, like logic board repairs including Wi-Fi doesn't show up, no hard drive detected, like video card issues, all kind of Macs with logic board issues. We repair them. We don't replace the logic board. We specialize in data recovery from spinning hard drives, from SD cards, from USB flash, like flash storage. We specialize in iPhone and iPad repairs. We do data recovery from iPhones. If you have any question, you can call us at 403-473-1253. If you've been told your device is beyond repair, come see us. We will prove that person like wrong. Let's see our logic board repair today. So as you can see here, I'll zoom in more. Okay, you see the corrosion here, corrosion here. This is one of the main circuit on this board. It's the circuit that creates the PP3v3. Then see here, corrosion, corrosion, corrosion. Corrosion here for the SMC circuit. The SMC signal pass here. Backlight circuit. You see. Charging circuit, charging chip I mean. Same thing here, corrosion. Here, it's alright. That will come off with ultrasonic cleaner. Here. Let's look from the other side of the board. A little bit humid, which will be taken care of with ultrasonic cleaning. Okay, so let's start, guys. As usual, I'll set up my hot air. I'll start with adding a bit of flux here on the backlight capacitor. Flux here. Then I'm going to remove this area. Too much corrosion here. Do you know, guys, like this specific logic board, if we just clean it with rubbing alcohol, probably it will work, but temporary. What I mean by temporary, anywhere between 5 minutes to a month, 2 months, then 3 months, then it will fail again. And this is what other stores they do, like with liquid dispels, like cleaning logic boards with rubbing alcohol or with chemicals for the purpose of repairing them. It's a Mickey Mouse job. Seriously. Like, you should not do this. I know all the stores in Calgary, Edmonton, Montreal, they do it. And by the way, they do them for the phones. And the phone there is more success rate in cleaning them than laptops. And it just pissed me off because this is not a real repair. So you have to remove the chips. I mean, after we repairing this board, trust me, board will go back to a new condition before spilling the liquid on it. Now, telling I use the other solder iron. Want it to go home. See, the problem with the IT people, like people who own repair stores, and they claim they fix liquid and they do logic board, they subcontract the job to someone else. And when you subcontract the work, then you will have a problem with customers, because you're relying on someone else that that he's busy. Plus, you cannot get back to the customer, so you cannot tell when. So customer call you, then you tell them, oh, I send it to my lab, I send it to blah blah blah, it's in our lab. You cannot give him a straight answer, and this is really bad in business. For that reason, we don't subcontract anything, we just do the job ourselves. If we don't know how to do something, we don't do it. If we don't know how to fix logic boards, we don't do it. If we don't know how to do data recovery, we will not do it. We are not going to subcontract anything we advertise for someone else, because it's really bad in business. You can get away with it, but eventually people will know, and that's the problem. Now, the second thing, it's most of the stores here, all of them, they are basically good salesmen or people who has money that they open a business because they cannot do anything else, and they start advertising for data recovery or logic board or iPhone. I mean, the knowledge they have based on nothing. While here at Apple Expert, basically myself, I'm professional electrical engineer, logic board designer, member of EPIGAS PNG, Apple certified, and Apple certifications means nothing. I mean, it does not impose you have knowledge of fixing logic boards or in fixing anything. I got up, I did the test and I passed Apple test. It's just because some people annoy you when they call, hey, are you Apple certified? Then the thing they don't understand, the Apple certified person will not help them. He cannot help them. He is not knowledgeable enough. Apple certification doesn't give him that extra knowledge. You might find a person who is Apple certified and cannot do 10% of the things we do. So anyway, so here we are Apple certified, we are data recovery certified. All our certification is on the wall. As soon as you enter the store, we don't hide anything. We back up what we do. So what we do came from knowledge. It did not come from a trial and error. And this is the way it should be in IT industry. But the problem, unfortunately, the problem is no, it's trial and error, which is not right. I mean, till now, if I hear there is a company, they do what I do and they're successful and they offer a training, I'll go to them. I'll pay the money. I'll go attend. I'll see what techniques they use, what procedure they use. I'll update myself. I'll update my education. I'll update my skills. The day you stop updating your skills, the day you are just sorry, my friend. So, and I've been doing this for now since 2007. Other stores, they don't. So this chip, the one I'm doing now, this is the chip that creates the 3.42 volt. So this chip here, this is what creates the 3.4 volt. What is this? So this is one of the important circuits here. If the 3.4 volt is not there, then it's a problem. This is one of the main circuits, I mean power rails, I will check on the board before I check anything else. So there are a few power rails, you should have them in there. The PP3v3, the 3.42, then you have the PB bus, then you will have your S5 rail, your S4 rail, your S3 rail, your S2, your S1, so on, so on. And this is what I check fast without looking at the schematic in any logic board. And if I'm missing one of those, I go find why, who created, is there a short, and every board different than another board. But the main two ones that you should look for is the PP3v3 and the PB bus G hub. If you don't have, if you're missing one of those, there's a serious problem. You should not continue. If you have those, whatever in the logic board, or whatever problem in there, it is repairable. Now we're doing this guy, which basically it allows the port to go the charger or the battery. I can show you on schematic later on if you want. If I remember well, this way from the battery, this way from the charger, but it might be the other way around. Honestly, I don't give attention to those. Okay. That's good. Let's continue. On camera, I know it sounds easy, fast, but trust me, it takes many years and a lot of experience and investment to reach what we reached, and it's not easy. Yeah, and this is what many people they don't understand. People call me, hi, I spilled liquid on my laptop. I tell them, all right, then how much is the cost to fix it? Then I tell them, sir, you have to come to the store. We have a free estimate. We take it apart in front of you. We check what's damaged. Based on the damage, we quote you. I said, yeah, I know, but how much? So we are not replacing a logic board, so it's not a magic number that we will throw at you. And let's assume we're replacing the logic board, which other stores doing. But how someone can quote someone over the phone without seeing a laptop, and the laptop have a liquid spill, and the parts that will get affected, and maybe all of them, maybe one or two, It's a logic board, a keyboard, a trackpad cable, a trackpad, I/O board, I/O cable, screen, LCD cable, battery. Like how someone can quote someone over the phone when he has a liquid spill and tell him a price without seeing the machine, which I don't get. And especially for us, like we set up a free estimate. We don't charge people. Other stores, they do charge minimum $30 to $100 to just look at the machine. We don't. We actually take it apart in front of you. We test everything, we check everything, and we tell you, hey, this is what's damaged. This is what it will cost you, and it will take this long to fix. And we give 6-month warranty, which is longer than any warranty exists, either to authorized repair stores or non-authorized. All of them, they give 2 weeks to 3 months. We give 6 months. You want us to give us a year? We give you a year. And at the time of that, they answer, oh no, sorry, but like you're too far. Just if you tell me a price, then I might come. I don't get it. Like or they say, yeah, like there are other stores, they gave me average price. Gave you average price on what? Is it on replacing a keyboard, which we don't know, or replacing a trackpad, or a trackpad cable, or I/O board, or I/O cable, or a logic board? So if you have a liquid damage like machine, and someone gave you a $300 or $400 quote, he just wants you to get in. When you get in, and after he take it apart, trust me, all what he will do, he will call you, oh sir, what we quote you on this part, now we have another part. We don't do this crap here at Apple Expert. We don't do this garbage. Whatever price we give you, we give you. If we are not sure of something, we tell you ahead of time. We tell you, hey, there is a 10% chance this has to be replaced, or it costs you this much extra. Because our policy here, if we misdiagnose something, guess what? You are not paying for it. We take care of it. So still people calling, oh, how much to fix liquid damage? Like seriously, give me a break. Come to the store. And there are some people, they force me to give them a price for a logic board, and 90% of the time when they ended up coming, the price is not the same. And it's impossible the same. So if you get liquid, do yourself a favor and come to the store. What I'm looking for is, oh my god, I'm looking for something I have already on my table. Okay, so this is the story. You get liquid, come to the store, you have free estimate. It costs you money, but we do quality job. We like bring back the laptop to original condition. Come on. This chip was corroded, okay? You know what happens if you leave that ball there? Or if you leave this ball? You see this? Very dangerous. If the laptop is on and go touch another pad, might make it short. So here is good, here is good, we could put this back, we put this back. clean, healthy. Now this guy, so let's see if we have to replace or not. This is not going there, so you know what, I'll replace it. See the corrosion? Pile, 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 pile. My favorite material, flux. Okay, grab me the charging chip. If I remember well, this is the chip that's responsible. One of the things that it does is charge the battery and detect the battery. Well, U7000 it provide the charging, but it goes through this. Okay, so I'll just refix this, which doesn't matter because you see this is all the same points, so it doesn't matter, but just I'll fix it to make it look nice. Okay, let's see this guy. Flux is so important. I believe all good now. So let's look at the board again. I'll check this after ultrasonic cleaning. That's good. Replace. That's here. Replace. That's good. I just ordered wireless microphones, so the quality of sound will be much better next week. Sorry for the inconvenience. You know, with the COVID situation here, shipping on Amazon is taking forever. So I don't see any more corrosion. So what we will do here, I'll see you after ultrasonic cleaning. Let's look at the logic board under microscope after ultrasonic cleaning. So good, looks nice. Nice. So we change this, those, no corrosion. Then we change this guy. I have to resolder this. I'll solder it again. We soldered this guy. That's good. You see what I'm talking about now? This is the way it should look like. That's a board I'm proud of. Okay, let's test. So we install the logic board. Charging port, I/O board, whatever you call it. Screen. Hard drive. I'm not doing the keyboard. Because all what I want to see is Apple backlight, Apple logo, sign in. So I'm not expecting any light, but I'm expecting here. Where are you? There's nothing. Come on, charger. Are you connected right? Okay, let's do some troubleshoot. So basically what we found out here when we did some measurement, the CPU was not getting any voltage. So after truly diagnosis, I found that the U5450 was not there, so I had to put a new one, and this is the isense for the CPU. Now I just put back the laptop and I'll connect my power supply. I'm not expecting to see green light because I don't have my own board, but I'm expecting to see this guy, 0.6 amps. So if we look at, now we should have something. Woohoo! Happy MacBook came back from the dead. So as I showed you guys how to fix another MacBook Air with liquid display, we went through how to solder, how to diagnose. Here at Apple Expert, everything is repairable. We specialize in liquid damage repair for Macs, logic boards, all kind of problems with logic boards. It is like repairable, including video card repairs. We have a permanent solution for them. We specialize also in iPhones, iPads, data recovery from a spinning hard drive, from SSDs, USBs, flash storage. If you have any questions, you can call us at 403-473-1253 or 403-413-9000. Or you can just walk in the store anytime. We'll help you immediately. We are located at 1504 14th Street Southwest, Calgary, Alberta. Thank you guys.